What if you could use ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, VO, and even ElevenLabs, all inside one dashboard with zero monthly fees? Well, today I'm reviewing QuantumVerse AI, the world's first multi-model, multi-version AI ecosystem that replaces every expensive subscription you're currently paying for. Stick around because I'll show you what it does, the pros and cons, OTOs, and of course, my $43,000 bonus bundle available only through the link below. So what exactly is QuantumVerse AI? It's a cloud-based platform that gives you unlimited access to every major AI model, past, present, and future. You can write content, generate images, create videos, produce voiceovers, design graphics, even automate entire workflows, all from one clean dashboard. It's perfect for marketers, freelancers, agencies, content creators, and beginners who want all-in-one power without paying for 10+ subscriptions. Here are the features that really make QuantumVerse AI stand out. First, multi-model access. You get GPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, VO, ElevenLabs, and more, with every version included. You're basically getting thousands of dollars in AI power for a one-time fee. Second, unified super dashboard. No more switching tabs or paying for multiple apps. Writing, video, voice, coding, design, everything happens in one place. Third, auto AI smart selection. Don't know which AI to use? Just let QuantumVerse pick the best model for your task, whether you need speed, creativity, or accuracy. 4. Lifetime access and upgrades. No subscriptions. Ever. Every future model gets added automatically. That alone could save you over $1,000 a month. And yes, it comes with a full commercial license, team collaboration tools, 1,000+ templates, and blazing fast turbo mode processing. Alright, let's be honest, here are the pros and cons. Pros: one-time payment, no monthly fees. Every major AI model in one tool. Lifetime updates included. Commercial rights for unlimited clients. Beginner-friendly with DFY templates. Cons: the biggest downside is that the launch pricing is temporary. After the promo, the one-time fee will jump to yearly pricing. Overall, the value is insane for the price. And here's the best part. When you grab QuantumVerse AI through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300+ premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. So if you want the world's first all-in-one AI ecosystem with no monthly fees, click the link in the description right now. QuantumVerse AI is on a limited-time early bird discount, and once it's gone, it's gone. Grab it today, secure your bonuses, and start creating unlimited content, videos, images, and voiceovers with the most powerful AI suite of 2025.